Hi champs, how are you? Welcome to our channel Maths Mill. Today we are going to discuss about probability grade 10 and hope you remember in the last class we had taken about that 10th class examination paper pattern CBSE expected paper pattern. Hope you followed that and it will be very useful to you. And coming to this probability topic in CBSE 10th grade, it is very easy topic and we can score good score, very good score also in that from the probability if you can learn well, right? So now coming to our concept, it is probability where we can use the word generally in our daily life. We can use probably. There is a chance, likely. That means when we are guessing something, we can use the word probably. Am I right? So here also we are having some concepts regarding the probability, especially for grade 9 and 10. Very important concepts what we are having. What are the segments we are going to learn in the concept of probability, that and all we are going to see now. Okay, so especially for 10th grade, especially examination point of view, I am going to teach this probability lesson. First of all, probability, E means event. Probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes or else total number of outcomes, anything fine. So simple example, you all know about cricket, right? In that what they will do, starting which team has to be go for bat, which team has to go for ball, what it will decide, they will decide with a flipping of a coin, that is toss, heads and tails. So where we can observe that heads and tail on a coin, 1 rupee coin. One more point, that is unbiased. Unbiased in the sense there is no base. Okay. So if you can flip a coin, surely you will get either tail or head. Am I right? So how many total outcomes are there? There are 2 outcomes. One only we are getting. So what is the probability to get a head? 1 by 2. What is the probability to get a tail? 1 by 2. Am I right? Hope you are following. So champs, as I said, probability of flipping a coin. That means if we can flip a coin, head and tail are there. So one head is there, one tail. So one time only we are flipping. So what is the probability to get head off, to get tail off? So if you can see, I want to show you, it is heads and it is tails. If I can flip a coin, the probability, so what I can say here, what is on the top? Either head or tail, right? So you can see here I got it, here I got it tail. So half of the percent, that means exactly out of the 2 trials, 1 I got. So that is 50% chances are there to get head, 50% chances are there to get tail. Is it clear? Hope you understood about the probability. So it is just fundamental. We can learn up to 3 coins in this probability. Champs, in this concept, we are going to learn flipping of coins, throwing a dice, picking a card from play cards deck, and general problems. These and all we are going to be discussed. Okay. So before going to learn those concepts, we have to be learn some important points regarding the probability. Always probability of an event should be lies between 0 and 1 only. It might be equal to 0, it might be equal to 1. but not more than 1, not less than 0. Okay, if the probability of an event is 0, that is impossible event. If the probability of event is 1, that is a sure event. So champs, as I said, 0 less than or equal to probability of an event less than or equal to 1. Always the probability of an event, always it should be less than or equal to 1. So if it is 0, that is called impossible event. We know already sun rises in the east, but sun rises in the west statement, it is impossible. Coming to probability of 1, sure event, that name is called sure event. Sure event in the sense, they are obtaining a number less than 7 when you are throwing a dice. So all the 6 numbers are less than 7 only. Any number, it will be a sure event. Hope you understood. So followed by this, one more point we have to be keep it in mind. Probability of an events, always sum of probabilities of an events in the same experiment always equal to 1. For example, probability of when we are flipping a coin, getting head is half, getting tail is half plus half 1. When we are throwing a dice, getting 1 is 1 by 6, 2 is 1 by 6, 3 is 1 by 6, 4 is 1 by 6, getting 5 is 1 by 6, 6 also 1 by 6. Only 1 is there, right? So total is 1. So here what we have to be go with that in the sense, in a same experiment, probability of the sum of probability of the events is always equal to 1. So my dear champs, as I said, in the probability, especially 10th grade board exam, what are the important concepts? We should learn about flipping of coins, we should learn about throwing of a dice, and we should learn about deck of play cards. So today in this class I am going to be explain about deck of play cards because it is interesting, right, for you people also. So once you can see, a deck of play cards consists 52 cards. The jokers we won't include. So total we are having 52 cards. So what is the segregation in the sense? First segregation is black and white, black and red, black and red. Black 26, red 26, total 52. Again in the black also 2 segments, in red also 2 segments. The 26 will be divided into 13 and 13. So those 2 black are clubs, spades. Reds are hearts and diamonds. Hope you understood. So first one, it is red and black, red 26, black 26. So red segregation is hearts and diamonds. Hearts are 13, diamonds are 13. Coming to black, clubs are 13, spades are 13. Very, very, very easy, interesting and good scoring. Okay, right? Next, each set of 13 consists, we are having 4, right? 13 hearts, 13 diamonds, 13 clubs, 13 spades. Each 13, of course, all hearts will have like this, all diamonds, all clubs, all spades. Okay, so each set of 13 consists 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack. King, queen, jack. 2 to 10 numbered cards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 9 numbered cards are there. And 1 ace with a symbol ace. Total how many? 13. 9 numbered cards, 3 king, queen, jack and 1 ace. Here coming to one more word we have to be discussed, that is face cards. Out of the 13 we are having 3 face cards. Those are king, queen and jack. These 3 are face cards. So once if we can learn about this deck of play cards, after that we may get the questions. So champs, here we are having that. Again I had given one more segregation. Out of the 52, for example, if you can take king, 4 kings are there. That you have to be remember. In that, 2 red kings, 2 black kings. So out of that, 1 club, 1 spade, 1 heart, 1 diamond. So like that, all the 13 cards are having the segregation. So each card, that means 13 set of 13, each one has 4. So 13 into 4, total 52. 4, 1, queens 4, jacks 4, ace 4, like that. 2's 4, 3's 4, 4's 4. So everything we have to be. Is it clear? So what we have to be doing in the sense, first we should get to know about the segregation. Now we will see the example, how it will be. What is the probability? What type of questions you may get? Once we will see. So chums, what type of questions you may get from the probability, especially from the deck of play cards. If you can read the question from the well shuffled deck of play cards. From the well shuffled deck of play cards, in the sense we are having 52 cards, that's it. Randomly if I can pick a card, what is the probability to get? First question is red king, second question is black number, third question is face card. Once we can recall the probability formula, probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes. Coming to that, here total outcomes for every question is 52. Am I right? So 52, it is also 52, it is also 52. When it will change? If they can ask some of the cards removed, then you should remove from that. If they didn't ask anything, this 52 will be as it is. Is it clear? Now coming to red king. First we have to be go with the king segment. How many kings are there? I said earlier 4 kings are there in the 2 red kings. So your answer is 2 by 52. We can simplify 1 by 26. Right? Now coming to black number, those are asking. How many black cards are there? Black cards are 26. 26 black cards are there. From that, what we have to be removed? Only black number, those are asking. So face cards we can remove. 6 face cards are there. Ace you can remove. 2 black ace are there. So you will get it as 26 minus 8. It will become 18. So 18 by 52 is your answer. Very easy, right? So you can simplify 2 9s to 26. So your answer will become 9 by 26. Hope you got it. Now coming to face card. As I said, face cards are only 3 out of set of 13. King, queen, jack. 3, 3, 3, 3. 4 threes. 12. 12 by 52. So you can take it as 4 threes and 4 13s. 3 by 13 is your answer. Am I right? Hope you got it. Chums, in this particular video, we discussed about the probability. What is the formula? What are probability rules? And out of the segments, one segment we have chosen, that is deck of play cards. In the next video, I am going to teach about flipping of coin as well as throwing a dice. Okay, so don't forget to follow me. If you can follow me, you will get more knowledge followed by good score in the 10th grade. Thank you.